Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit videos on TikTok. So if you want to upload a TikTok video but then you want to directly edit it on the TikTok app using the built-in editing tool, you can follow the steps right here, and I'm going to tell you what you can do when you are edit your videos on TikTok. First, you can just click on the plus button at the bottom to start choosing the videos that you want to edit. Here I'm going to go with 15 seconds for the duration. Click on this to go to your gallery and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, so for example here I'm choosing 5 videos, and now you can just click on edit at the bottom. Here you can edit the videos as you like, and as you guys can see here, TikTok will automatically sing the video, your clips, with the song that you choose. So for example, in here I'm going to replace the song. Click on this replace sound, and here I'm going to, for example, use this ones right here. You can click on that and TikTok will automatically syncing the sound with the footage again. You can just go back. Here you can see there are these yellow dots on the audio, so the video is now matched with the music. And here if you want to edit it again, here you can add text. For example, I'm going to just write it like this. You can change the font in here. You can change also the color if you want to, and here you can also add the style of the text, the alignment, and here you can also add animations on the text. For example, I'm going to go with this ones right here. You just go back when you are done. Here, this is the result for the text. Here you can also add effects if you want to, and there's also this magic feature where you can add video effects like velocity, camera zoom, face tracking. You can also add motion effect, layer, AI drawing, AI portrait, and others. Here I'm not going to add effects. Here you can also add overlay, add sticker, add some filter to your video. For example, here I'm going to apply a filter to mine. You can just choose which one that you think fits your style and fit your video the best. I'm going to go with landscape in here. Let's try to find the right one. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one, but now I'm going to lower the intensity of the filter. Now you can just go back when you are done and the filter will automatically add it. And when you are done with the editing, this you can preview the result first, and then you can tap on next at the top. And here you can just write the description and hashtag, location, and others, and then you can just post it to your TikTok. So that's how you can edit videos on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.